Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing a new updated wash routine. I know it's been well over a year since I've made a wash routine video. I did change a few things up in my routine as far as products and certain things that I use, so I will be showing y'all all of that today. I've officially had my locks for 2 years and 11 months. Wow, we coming up on 3 years real soon, and I'm gonna make a separate video for that, showing y'all my progress and just like a 3-year anniversary lock video. So be on the lookout for that in the next month or so. So what I'm pretty much gonna do is get started with taking this hairstyle out. Guys, when I first did it, it was so cute. It was cute. It was eating down. When I tell y'all it was cute, it was cute. I'm gonna put some pictures and stuff up too so y'all can see. But now it's time for her to come out because we're 6 days shy of 1 month, and it's not bad. Okay, it's bad. I gotta admit it. It's bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and then I'm gonna wash it, show y'all my whole washing routine and all that good stuff. So let's get going. And I forgot to mention, just in case anybody is interested on how I actually achieved this look, I do have a hairstyle video linked down below that y'all can check out, and it'll pretty much show the whole entire process of me starting the look to finishing the look. And yeah, but let's get started. I'll probably rock a hairstyle like this one day. Maybe, possibly. I don't think I have yet. Probably with like 2 pieces down, and then y'all see the vision just a little bit. Yeah, I might do that one day. Oh, okay, y'all. Now y'all trying to jump me? Yes. How can I help y'all? Oh, okay. Now that my hair is all taken out, let's get into this new wash routine. I'm so excited because my hair is just so ready to be washed. So let's get going. So before we jump right into the hot oil treatment, what I did add was using these lock combs. Now I got these from Amazon. I forgot how much they were, but it's a 2-pack. So I got this one and I also have this one here. Now, if y'all can see, these are made a little bit different. I believe this one is a little chunkier than this one, and this one has like 2 little knobs that looks like a caterpillar. My first time introducing these lock combs into my routine was in this video here. Now, when I tried it, I was so confused as to how to even use them and if I would necessarily need to use them or if it would be beneficial, etc. I did like it. It did win me over in the end because it's really good on the scalp. I love the way it feels on my scalp. So now I have my hair all oiled up. I never used a comb on my locks before, so I'm really interested to see how this goes. I don't even know what to do. Like, let me figure out a parting situation. Okay. I got a few tangles in my roots and I could fit, ooh, hold on, wait a minute. I like it though, but I don't know if there's a need for it, is what I'm really trying to say. It do feel good on the scalp, I ain't gonna lie. Okay, so I'm a fan. It won me over that fast. I'm just gonna use this one instead, and I'm gonna put the oil in my hair, comb it through, and put my cap on, and then sit up under the dryer for about 25 minutes. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start using this lock comb. So what I did last time was part my hair in the middle and just comb it. Since I do have oil in my hair while I'm combing it, it's distributing all of the oil evenly for me. And it does tend to get caught up a little bit. If you got like little kinks in your roots, it's gonna get caught up, but it's not gonna hurt. Like if you pull it, yeah, it's gonna hurt, but if you be gentle, it's not gonna hurt. Yeah, those knobs, it don't play around. Those 2 knobs, I see why they're there. I see why. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start braiding my hair into sections so I can sit under the dryer. Now that we look like Kodak, we gonna go ahead and put our shower cap on and get right under this dryer. I don't know what the heck is going on with my hair dryer, but my neck is about to be crooked if I don't fix it. So, one moment. Everything has been resolved. All the technical difficulties has been worked out. My neck is okay, just in case anybody was wondering. So let's get going. I ain't even take it off yet, and that cool air that just swept my face was wow. All right, so I'm gonna meet y'all in the shower. I'm gonna go ahead and get prepared and get up over there. So now that my hair is all washed, I am going to go ahead and detangle. The sad part is it's nighttime right now, and as soon as I'm finished, I know I'm gonna knock out and my hair is going to be down just a little bit, but I will live. So let's get going. The easiest way for me to detangle my hair is to put my hair in sections. So I pretty much separate the top from the back, and then I just pull them apart one by one until it's all detangled, and then I'll undo the top and do the same thing. Alright, so I pretty much got this bottle here, and what's inside is my everyday oil, which is made up of castor oil and lavender oil. I'm going to put a picture of the bottle and the brand that I use, and this brand, I say it all the time, but this brand is just the best. It only has 2 ingredients, which is the lavender and the castor oil. It doesn't have anything else, any extra chemicals or nothing like that. You get exactly what you pay for, so y'all got to check out that brand. So I'm just going to go ahead and start applying this to my hair, and then afterwards I am going to brush my locks. When brushing my locks, I use a soft bristle brush, and what that pretty much does, it doesn't put too much stress on my locks. It just makes sure my locks are moisturized, it moves lint, and I did forget some of the benefits, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm just gonna like throw them right up here so y'all can see. Alright, so now that my hair is all cleaned, it's washed, it's brushed, it's oiled, it's taken care of, I am just gonna go ahead and call it a night. Thank y'all so much for watching and spending y'all time with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next one.